Good morning, children. Welcome to the virtual class. This is your English virtual class. My name is Asha Jan. I will be teaching you English. So, children, today we will read lesson 3, A Glass of Milk. So, it is a story of a poor boy who was very poor and he worked very hard to pay his school fees. A girl who helped the boy when he was very hungry. So children, I am going to read the book for you. There was once a poor boy who sold knickknacks. Knickknacks means small decorative objects from door to door to pay for his school fees. One day he found that he had only a few pennies left. Few pennies left means little money. He was very hungry and did not even have the strength to walk a few steps. He decided that he would ask for food at the next house. He knocked on the door but lost his courage when a young girl came to the doorstep. Instead of meal, he asked the girl for a glass of water. But the girl brought him a large glass of milk. Why the girl brought him a large glass of milk? She saw that the boy is looking very weak. So instead of bringing glass of water, she brought a glass of milk. You look very hungry. Please have the milk, she said. He was astonished by her kindness. Kindness means generous. The boy was astonished means he was very surprised. He drank the milk slowly, enjoying the taste. How much do I owe for you for this glass of milk? Owe you means how much should I pay? He asked after he had finished. You don't owe me anything, she replied. What the girl replied? No, you don't need to pay money. Mother taught us never to take money for kindness. Then I thank you from my heart, he said. The boy left with a full belly means stomach, and a strong belief in the goodness of human being. Many years later, the same young girl was suffering from an uncommon illness. Illness means disease, which was difficult to treat. The local doctors did not know what to do. The local doctors cannot treat that disease. They sent her to a hospital in a big city. Dr. Kevin Bernard, a famous specialist. A specialist means doctor who is expert in treating one special type of disease. Specialist was going to examine her. When he heard the name of the town she was from, a light filled his eyes. He got up and went down the hospital hall to her room. He entered and recognized her at once. What he did? He went in his room and the doctor recognized her. She was the same girl who had given him a glass of milk all those years ago. She was too ill to remember him. The girl couldn't remember that doctor, but he was determined to do his best to save her. From that day, he gave special attention to the case. Case means the illness or sickness. Dr. Bernard fought the disease for months. For many months, the doctor fought for that disease. At last, he was successful. the woman was completely cured, but she was not rich and was worried about paying the hospital bill. Now she was completely healed or cured, but she was worried because she was not very rich. She was worried that how can she pay her hospital bill. Dr. Bernard asked the hospital to send the bill to him. He looked at it, wrote a note and sent it to her room along with the bill. The woman was afraid to look at it. What the doctor did? He asked the hospital to send the bill to him, not to the girl, but to him. And now he wrote a note on the bill. She was sure that she would have to spend the rest of her life paying it off. But when he saw it, her eyes filled with tears of happiness. Now when the girl saw the bill, her eyes filled with tears. Why? The tears was happiness, because the girl was very happy. The bill was cancelled because the bill was cancelled. Cancelled means stopped doing something that being planned. On the other note, written by Dr. Bernard, were the words, "Bill paid years ago with a glass of milk, Dr. Kevin Bernard." Now, who cancelled the bill? The Dr. Bernard, the specialist, who was the same poor boy. When he knocked at the door, the girl gave a glass of milk instead of water. And that doctor, that poor boy, was very much thankful, and he treated the girl nicely, and he also cancelled her bill also. So children, now read your book. So children, now read your book again and again, and then you will come to know the story. Okay children, have you understood? Have a nice day and stay safe.